So you got your starter kit. Yay, this is super exciting. This is going to change everything. I'm so excited for you. I'm gonna show you a few things about it. So you take this pretty sleeve, obviously, off, and then you're gonna open it up. Look at all that beautiful stuff right there. Okay, so first you need to know is we're gonna go through all the oils. The second thing is there's a little flap right here that you need to lift up because there are some more goodies in there. Now this is not coming in the starter kit anymore. You're getting a little spray bottle of Thieves Household Cleaner. That's gonna be awesome. This is your Ningxia. This is the highest antioxidant drink that you can drink, and it is so good for you. We drink, everybody in our house tries to drink about 1 packet of these, 2 ounces every day. And we notice a huge difference in our digestion and our energy levels, and it is just super powerful. Okay, you're also gonna get a Thieves hand purifier. Try this out. It is super smooth on your skin. It does not dry out your skin. It's wonderful. You're also gonna get these 2 filaments. You're gonna get 2 filament rollers that you can just pop on any oil and roll on at any time, and a lid. All right, and then I'm gonna take these 2 oils out because we're gonna talk about them in just a minute. So these oils are some of my favorites. Okay, so let's go through the oils and how we use them at our house and how you could possibly use them at yours. Well, we might as well start with some of the best. So frankincense, all right? What I do with frankincense mostly is put it on my skin. This is so good for your endocrine system, but I like to put this on every night. It's grounding, so anytime I have scattered thoughts, this is something I'm gonna use. I like to put my little filament roller on top of this, and I roll it all over my face. I actually dilute this with a carrier oil, and I'm gonna talk about carrier oils later, okay? Because this one can take some getting used to, and I have very sensitive skin. This is one of my favorite oils. This one's Stress Away. It's got a hint of lime. It's got copaiba. It's got lavender in it. It smells so good. People love this oil. But I use this in a roller every single day. I will roll it on my wrists. I'll roll it on the back of my neck. You can put it in the palm of your hand. Rub it together like this. Take a deep breath. Goodness, it feels good. So that's one way I use that, but I usually carry a roller in my purse with Stress Away, with Valor, and with Citrus Fresh. That's the other one. All right, let's go through another. This is one of the most versatile oils. Frankincense is very versatile, but also lavender. We have used this for any kind of skin issue, irritation, dryness, anything you can think of for that. Lavender is good for stress. Lavender is good for any skin issues. The reference guide will indicate lavender for so many different things. The other day I had some itchy scalp and dandruff, and I used it in my shampoo. I just put a couple drops in my shampoo and massaged my scalp. So this one is so good for so many different things. We're going through all of my favorites at first. Valor is one of my favorites because it's one for emotional support. I love the smell of it, but it's really, they like to call it a courage oil. And so I use this also for calming at night. So I like to put it on my wrist right here, and I rub it together, and as I sleep at night, I can get the benefits of the lavender, not only through my skin and through my bloodstream, but also as I'm breathing it in. So Valor is such a good one. Peace and calming, another good emotional support, also obviously gonna help you with sleep. A lot of people diffuse this in their diffuser. I would diffuse maybe 5 drops at night with maybe 5 drops of orange. I love citrus with peace and calming. Some people love the smell of this, so they wear it on their body, but this one is a great one for emotional support. This one's great to diffuse in kids' rooms. Love the smell of that one. Raven, this one is gonna be your Natural Vicks vapor rub, okay? So Vicks contains some things in it that are not good for our bodies, but this is going to be the natural solution for that. It smells just like Vicks because Vicks is the fake of what this is. So this is good for all upper respiratory things. I like to rub this on our chest. I like to mix it a little with coconut oil or any kind of oil and just rub it on our chest, on the back of your neck. So always remember that Raven is good for breathing things. So anytime you might have a cold or things like that, this one's gonna be your go-to. So don't go to the store and buy the Vicks, grab your Raven. Panaway. Panaway is amazing for muscle support. It's also great for tension in your head. So sometimes I get some pretty killer head things going on up there that it's hard for me to even keep my eyes open, if you know what I mean. So Panaway is going to be awesome for that. I like to diffuse Panaway in my diffuser with peppermint if I have those issues. Related to sometimes the pressure that goes on up in here too. So I'm loving Panaway. It's also super great for muscles. Any kind of muscle issue that you have, you can just roll that on and get some relief, okay? All right, now we're gonna talk about tummy. Digestion, it kind of goes together. This is for anything you can think of tummy related. You can put this is a vitality oil. You can put this in, which means you can drink it or consume it. I put a drop of this in my tea or in my hot water or in water or anything with some peppermint whenever I have any kind of digestive issue, anything you can possibly think of. You can also put this in a roller with some peppermint and roll it on your belly, roll it on your kids' bellies. You can roll it on baby's feet. There's also a kids line of, it's called Tummy Jize that you're gonna wanna get for your kids because it's perfectly diluted. And you don't have to worry about anything. You just roll it on. Just think, anytime you have anything related to tummy, grab your Jize. So Thieves is the foundation of all the cleaning products. This thing right here, this oil is a combination of oils that will help with killing bad bacteria. It kills it in the air when you diffuse it. It also kills it as you ingest it. So this is phenomenal stuff. So our cleaning products are made from this foundation of this essential oil. And so not only the stuff that you clean with in my house with the Thieves products, it's boosting their immune system. So this is a big immune booster. So what we do with this is I put this in a roller beside my kids' beds and our bed at night, and we roll this on the spine of their back every night, especially during the seasons of fall, winter, and spring. So pretty much all the time. But yeah, so this one's a good one for that. We also diffuse it very regularly. I put it in a spray bottle and I spray it on their sheets. I'll spray it around the house, but I diffuse this quite often during the winter months. So Thieves is a big one. Peppermint, if you want to stimulate your digestive system, let's use some peppermint. Peppermint is also good for those kinds of things. This is another vitality oil. You can digest this and just drop a drop. This one's strong, so you want to be careful with that. You don't want to get this near your eyes or in your eyes. I actually do put some like right here. When I'm having seasonal issues, I mix this with lavender and lemon for almost every night in our diffuser for seasonal issues. Citrus Fresh. Okay, Citrus Fresh is a good one because this one is also good for digestion, but it's also good for so many different things, but it just smells really nice. This one is good emotional booster as well. And then last, I think of the oils, is lemon. I can't get enough of lemon. This is in my ER order every single month. We use it to clean. I actually put this in my dishwasher to clean dishes. You can use this for anything sticky. A friend of mine used it on her shirt that had tree sap on it the other day, and it came right out. So anything sticky, think lemon. It's crazy how awesome it is. Stickers that are left on items that you bought at the store that you're trying to get off. Let's see, what else? It's also good for digestion. This helps flush out your system. This is something good to drink in your water. I would put 1 to 2 drops in my water and drink this all day. This is better than fresh lemon because this is concentrated lemon. It's from the purest of sources, so you gotta have this stuff. All right, so I think that's it for the starter kit. I'll do another video later for your hopeful diffuser.